www.instrumentals.com.
This for all my niggas on the streets grinding. Even the ones with dreams keep trying. Shout out to my niggas trying to get their life straight. It might be hard, but you gotta have faith. A young nigga like me just wanna keep it real. All I do is write music cause I want a deal. I have big dreams just to get away from this. Instead of dying broke, I'd rather die rich. I'm going to the top, that's where I'ma be. If I'm taking people, I'ma choose wisely. I'ma start new, fuck all the bullshit. I'm on this earth, but I feel like a tourist. I remember back when I didn't have shit. Going to school with the same outfit. Moms bust their ass just to try and feed us. Fams turned their back, they weren't trying to help us. I smoke weed just to keep my dead ease. I put on the beat, then I let my pen bleed. Thanks to all the people who keeps me motivated. Some people love my music, but the rest hate it. Shout out to CMF, they took me under their wings. Since then it's been a real nigga thing. My music is real, it's not pretend. I'ma make music to the fucking end. It's that CMF ENT. I got a stat that make niggas wanna be like me. I get lost in the music like I lost my ID. Spitting disease to the beat like it's HIV. Nigga, watch what you saying.